Dear students, now we will revise the back exercise of chapter number 13, and the first question is put a true for true and a false for false. Give a reason for your answer. The first statement is sun and stars are sources of light. So this statement is true. Look here, the sun and the star is a source of natural light. You can see here their light. The sun has its own light, but the star produce light due to the nuclear reactions. These nuclear reactions make the stars so hot. That's why stars give us heat and light. Next statement is if no light falls on this book, you can still see it. So this statement is wrong. And we make a false sign here. Now we write the reason of statement number 2. The reason of statement number 2 is no, we see around us due to light. Look here, the girl in the picture can see her book. You can see here, a book does not give off its own light. And we can't read a book in a dark room. So now prove that we see around us due to light. The third statement is whenever the path of light is blocked by an object, a shadow of the object is formed. So this statement is true. Now we make a sign here. Look in this picture. Whenever the path of light is blocked by an object, a shadow of the object is formed. It means light forms a shadow when its path is blocked by something. The fourth statement is your shadow formed by the sun remains same throughout the day. This statement is wrong. Now we write the reason of statement number 4. The reason of statement number 4 is no, size and direction of the shadow changes during day. When you are outside in the daytime, you stop some of sunlight from reaching the ground. Your body stops the path of sunlight and makes a shadow. It means when your body stops the path of sunlight, a shadow is formed. If you stand on the same place at different time of a day, you will find that position and shape of your shadow have changed. That means your shadow size change according to the position of sun. The fifth statement is we can use a sundial to tell the time at night. This statement is wrong. Now we write the reason of statement number 5. The reason is sundial only works during the day. Look here, this is the picture of sundial and sundial only works during the day. There were no clocks in olden days. People used the direction of the shadow of a pole to tell the time during the day. This is called sundial. And the sixth statement is small objects cannot form big shadows. This statement is wrong. Now we write the reason of statement number 6. The reason is no, size of shadow depends on direction of light. Look here, there are different size of shadows are formed. When a person blocks more light, its shadow is longer. And when a person blocks some light, its shadow is smaller. You can see here Some shadows are smaller and some shadows are longer. So, size of shadow depends on direction of light.